Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to hide system bars on the Notewise application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. That's the home screen, and you can find different buttons. New, go to the settings icon at the lower left corner of the home screen, and in the second section, the notes, you can find the hide all system bars, hide status and navigation bars when notes are open. Actually, I don't use this function because I think that's good if you see the bars, but if you want to turn on and hide the bars, just click to the next circle icon, and if it will be turned blue, and this function will be enabled. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.